In this video, you can see how to invisible worksheet in Excel. Regular hide worksheet, just press right click on the worksheet tab which you want to hide. Then click on hide tab and you can see worksheet is go invisible. To hide multiple sheets, press either Ctrl key or Shift key to select sheets. Then right click on any worksheet tab you want to hide and then click on hide tab. But in this method, any user can unhide easily by press right click on any visible worksheet tab, then click on Unhide tab. On the content menu, a Unhide dialog box will appear. And here you can see a list of unhide worksheet names. Then just simply select worksheet name for unhide and click on OK tab. You can also use either Ctrl key or mouse left click or shift key plus down arrow key to select multiple sheets for unhide simultaneously. Now you can see worksheet is visible. For add an extra layer of security, you can use following tricks. How can do verify a worksheet through the VBA editor? Press Alt plus F11 key or right click on the any worksheet tab, then select View Code to open the VBA editor. Then select the worksheet you want to verify from Project Explorer. In the worksheet properties, locate the visible property and select Excel sheet very hidden. Now we cannot see very hidden worksheet by regular unhide method. To make a very hidden worksheet visible again, reopen the VBA editor, select the hidden worksheet and select its visible property Excel sheet visible. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I also request to subscribe my channel to get similar kind of videos in future.